What's up, guys? Good to see you back again. This is Jason Hess, and I just wanted to jump on here real quick. I didn't get much time to film this one, but I just helped a friend out with his 2014 XP1000 four-seater. Great car. This thing has been super durable for this guy. He loves it, and he's never had the shocks serviced on this thing, so this is going to be quite the work. But if you guys notice here, the spring perches have been replaced on the top, and the reason that I had to do that is because the factory ones were seized. So I've got aftermarket uppers that have been replaced, and you can see here where I've cut the old ones up. The shocks were pretty dirty. Everything's cleaned up now and good to go. Gonna help him get the car kind of sprung, put back together, and he'll be on his way. If you guys have any questions regarding an older RZR XP1000, shoot me a message below, and I'll get back with you. All right, see you guys next time.